Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make full screen on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first thing first, let's create a new project on CapCut. We can click on new project and choose a video you want to make full screen. I'm just going to use the video from CapCut library. For example, I'm just going to select this one guys, this flower. I'm going to import it to my CapCut project, and now the video is imported. And if we want to get the full screen, we can click on the video on the timeline like this, and as you can see by the outline, the video is active, and we can use both of our fingers to make the full screen like this. You can zoom in and you can adjust the position, and once you're ready to export this video, you just need to click on this button to save this video to your device. And before you save this video to your device, you can see how the video looks like in a full screen by tapping on this icon like this, and you will get the preview of the video in full screen. Alright guys, so that's how we can make full screen on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.